Hazara कहते हैं। Hazara। जी अदनान भाई,
जी सर।
ये हम कौन से रेस्टोरेंट में हैं?
सर ये हज़ार कैफ़े, ये अब्बोत्ताबाद के मेन बाजार के अंदर है।
अच्छा अच्छा
काफ़ी पुरानी होटल है, टेस्ट वगैरह बहुत ही
अच्छा अच्छा। तो हम क्या खाने जा रहे हैं अभी?
अभी हमने एक हांडी मंगवाई थी और साथ में चिकन टिक्के हैं, वो अभी ला रहे हैं।
अच्छा अच्छा
इसके अलावा हमने शिमला जाना है।
अच्छा, अभी हम शिमला जाएंगे।
वहाँ से आपको अब्बोत्ताबाद का अच्छा
सही।
काफ़ी टूरिस्ट आते हैं
अच्छा।
मौसम में, क्योंकि ग्रीन भी ज़्यादा होती है।
चलो ठीक है अपना अदनान भाई, खाना स्टार्ट करते हैं फिर। Hello guys, what's up guys? Welcome to another travel video. This time in Abbottabad, Pakistan. I'm here in Abbottabad. This is a wonderful city, all green, lush green forests, and it is a clean and great city in the KPK province of Pakistan. And I have my friends here. Just in the background you can see the Abbottabad city. I have my friends here, Mr. Adnan, who is रेजिडेंट ऑफ एबटाबाद। तो अदनान भाई, अब हम शिमला पहाड़ी की तरफ जा रहे हैं।
अभी हम शिमला पहाड़ी की तरफ जा रहे हैं।
अच्छा अच्छा, तो वहाँ एंजॉय करेंगे। हाँ, एबटाबाद।
हाँ, मौसम भी बड़ा अच्छा है, ऊपर से 14 अगस्त है
और पूरा सिटी का व्यू, सिटी व्यू भी वहाँ से होगा।
हाँ, पूरा एबटाबाद का जो है सिटी व्यू से ही ज़बरदस्त नज़र आता है, क्योंकि हाइट पे है ना थोड़ा सा।
अच्छा अच्छा, ज़बरदस्त। So guys, it's tea time here in Abbottabad. I mean, we are going to Shimla, but just have a stop here and we are taking this nice tea. So we are really enjoying it because the weather is just fantastic today. So guys, hiking in the forest in Abbottabad, going towards up through the steps here in the forest. And it is just a nice experience. I'm not a regular hiker, but still trying to do it, so it feels really great. guys, we are finally on the top of Abbottabad city. It is called Shimla Pahadi. From here you can view the whole of the city and you can take pictures with panoramic view of the Abbottabad city. It is really interesting and nice place. Just in the background you can see all of the Abbottabad city. Just look at that. What a beauty. And there are all trees in a place like forest. Just you can look at the background. Too many people, but there are still many people on this spot, and the reason is simply because it's 14 August, the Independence Day of Pakistan, and that's why people are coming here for holiday, for picnic, and enjoying here. You can see. People, especially kids, are enjoying all over the place here in Shimla Pahadi. Just in the background you can see there are so many entertainment activities for kids, and it is since holiday, so everybody is enjoying here. That's it from the Shimla Pahadi. Guys, it is Harnoi in Abbottabad, another very popular spot for tourism, and the best thing people want to see here is the glacier. You can just see in the background, which is coming from those mountains in the background. Those mountains, this is the water coming from there and then flew here, and then people actually enjoy this whole thing. There are entertainment activities you can find right there. There are horses, camels if you want to ride, and many people from the surrounding areas, especially from Abbottabad, come here to enjoy the weather and also the entertainment that is taking place. So this place is especially the best place for families and for kids. And see the water. And see my friend. He is just washing his face with this natural water. So looking forward to show you this place as well in Abbottabad. It is almost like an hour away, not an hour, half an hour away from Abbottabad city. It will take 30 minutes to reach here, and then you can enjoy this place. For just 1 year I came to this place, and there was only this snake shop, right, you can see in the background. But since tourism is expanding in this whole region and also in Pakistan, so that's why there are so many activities now, entertainment and different things, restaurants. You can see we are now just simply taking tea, and my friend is taking golgappe, and you can see the golgappe person here. And all other activities like entertainment and everything in this area. So that's it from Hanoi in Abbottabad.